Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your iPhone and choosing the Recorder app. This matters because app choice controls input selection and file formats. Once done, free at least 500 MB and verify iOS is up to date so drivers and permissions behave predictably. Next, plug any external recorder or mic using a Lightning or USB-C adapter and grant microphone permission when prompted. Make sure the connected device is powered if required. Open the recording app and create a new session so you're ready to set levels and test. Now you configure input and monitoring so recordings are clean. Within your chosen app, select the external mic or interface as the input. Voice memos may auto-select, while apps like Ferrite let you pick and set sample rate. Set 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and choose 16 or 24-bit for quality versus file size. Enable monitoring if available to hear latency and noise. Then run a short test and adjust gain so peaks sit around -12 to -6 decibels. Once satisfied, you're ready to capture. Finally, record and secure your files. Hit record and deliver your performance. Keep an eye on levels and mute notifications, or enable Do Not Disturb to prevent interruptions. When finished, stop and immediately save with a clear file name and metadata so you can find it later. Export using the app's share or export function to files, iCloud Drive, or AirDrop for editing on another device. If audio is missing, check microphone permission. Confirm you used a digital Lightning adapter versus an analog TRRS, and restart the iPhone before retesting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.